Hi guys and welcome back. Um right now what I have for you guys is another freebie box, a freebie baby box. It's the Noobie box. I will link everything down below. Um so now the Noobie box is a box of free samples. It's just samples. There's no full size items in there. So if you go on, I believe noobiebox.com, I'll link everything down below. If you go on their website, you can click the box and you can actually see what is in the box. They that website is so organized. They have everything completely laid out, what's in the box. Um, so if you buy this box, just the box itself, you do have to pay shipping, and I believe shipping is $5.95. But if you buy anything else from their website, you don't have to pay shipping for it. So what Noobie Box is, Noobie Box is not really a subscription box. It's a box that it's a stages box. It will they have a Noobie Nest box for newborns. Then they have Noobie Eat, a Noobie Play, and Noobie One when your child turns one. It's stages, and you can see what's in all of the boxes. All of the boxes are $38.95, free shipping. They also have parent boxes, 2 parent boxes, where you get books and mom pregnancy pampering items. So they're not really a subscription service, even though you can subscribe, but you will get, they have a 1-year subscription where you get a box quarterly, but it will be the newborn box, then the play box, discovery box, and first year box or something like that. So it's already on their website, but it'd be nice if you give this as a gift to somebody. It'd be a cute surprise to them since they don't know what they're getting. But I like that they have everything on their website. So I got the Noobie free sample box, and I wanted to, since I liked all the things they had on their website, all the boxes, I wanted to get the Noobie Nest, the newborn one, but that one was sold out. So I got the stage 2 one, the play one. It has like a discovery kit, and I think it's ages 3 months and up. So each box has 5 items in them, full-size items, no samples. These boxes, this is all samples, full-size items. And I also, when you first sign up, you will, when you buy a box, you will get a store credit of $9.95 to apply to any item that you purchase from them from in the future. So let's get started on the Noobie sample box, the baby box, the new mom box. So it comes with a beautiful little card saying, you know, congratulations on your pregnancy, la-di-da. Has very pretty packaging. So again, on the website, you can see exactly what you're getting. So there's no surprises and like, ooh, I didn't get this. So whatever. So first you get a pack of 5 cuties diapers. They're hypoallergenic. So they're size 1 for 8 to 14 pounds. And you get 5 of them. So that's cute. You get a sample of Aquaphor. You get some Prevail panty liners. There are 2 in there. It's always good to have some extra panty liners. Then you get a sample of water wipes with a coupon for $1 off, which is nice. You get some prenatal vitamins by Morning Prep. There's 5 in there. And actually, I will be packing this one in my hospital bag because it's nice to use, continue prenatals after you give birth. And this is nice, a nice pack. It doesn't take up much space in your hospital bag. Then there's some, excuse me, some turmeric spiced tea, some herbal tea. I think that's just 1 pack in there. I love turmeric. It's great for inflammation. And then there is some Palmer's Cocoa Butter Stretch Mark Lotion. Now I have this full size. This is a little sample. I have a full size one, but it's actually a nice sample. You can get some use out of this. I actually have this full size because I used it in during my last pregnancy, and I love this stuff. Excuse me. Whoa. So then there is some lactation supplement drink mix, chocolate flavored in here. That'd be nice to help your milk come in. Then there is some Lancino organic nipple balm. Oh my goodness. All right, enough. So this cute little sample. So I never tried the Lancino. I got, when I was in the hospital and I had my daughter, they gave you free nipple balm, and that one was great. But this is also cute to just put it in your diaper bag, hospital bag, on the go. And the last thing that was free is these little teething relief Camilla little 5 little doses, which I guess you just put it on, rub it into their gums when they start teething to take away the pain. I don't know if we read. I've tried to remember when my daughter was teething, we used the amber necklace, amber stones, amber beads necklace from the Baltic Sea. That one was great. But just like lots of nursing and chewing on little teething toys also can relieve, does a great job relieving teething pains. Well, anyway, so this is a great sample box, but and honestly, if I'd have to pay shipping for this, I would be very disappointed. I'd rather it be also free shipping. That's why I'm glad that I knew what was in there. I like that, and I ordered the other Noobie box, which totally made this free, no shipping whatsoever. So also with my Noobie box, I got these cute little Bioderma bath toy penguins. It came just as a little freebie. These are super cute, but keep these away from your dog because he will chew it up in 2 seconds flat. Yeah, my daughter was very upset because this one was her favorite, so she's carrying it around everywhere, and she put it down for a few seconds, and our dog completely destroyed it. So onto the Noobie Play Box, 3 months and up. Again, these are $38.95. Free shipping and handling. Taxes are included. I looked at my PayPal receipt, and it was truly only $38.95. So that's, and you, again, 5 items are in here, full-size items, and you get to see what's in the box online. So it also comes with a little card talking about playtime, and so on, and then it comes with a little newbie guide. So now this one is really great. It comes with coupons and ideas. Oh, here's all the different Noobie boxes you can get: Noobie Nest, Noobie Play, Noobie Eat, Noobie One, and then these are the parents. Oh, there's a parent one and a nursing one as well. And then there is a code 20% off mom to be. So yeah, there is tons of little ideas, coupons. Oh, and this one is the free sample box. Get to see again what's in there, which is great. I mean, if it was truly free without shipping and handling, this is a great sample box. It's just like, I don't know. But anyways, it has the same kind of cute packaging as the other box. And then I already opened everything. Went through everything. And yes, so the first thing in here are these little bat toys by Boon. Boon Fleet Stacking Boats bat toys. And there are no BPA, PVC. And these are great. Water cannot get. Now, these are supposed to be bat toys as well, but there's a little hole in there. I feel very iffy about. We had ducks, bat toy ducks, and they got moldy inside. So these would be just I'm using, my daughter's using them. Those are hers. She can keep them, and will not be using them in the bath because they will get moldy inside. But these are great. Stacking, color recognition, sizing, and they're great. So you can just pour water on the baby. These are fun. So these, I will list everything, the value of everything below in the comments. I don't have it with me right now. It was not included. It was not included in the box. So then we got these little stacking, not stacking, these little rings, ringalings. They're actually by Sassy, and they're 9 little textured rings. It's great for when they're teething, they can chew on it. Yeah, so you can hold stuff on your stroller, car seat. These are great. Now I think the reason I looked that up, I think they're $4.95, which you can go to Target and you can buy a pack of 25 of these for $4. So they're no different. They're the same kind. So I feel like maybe it's not that great of a value thingy. And then we got this little foxy, this little rattle, and this is by Sigikid. My daughter had a bunch of these toys by this company. We really like this one. I think the retail for this one was $9. And they are from Germany, so that's why we had a bunch of them, because when we went to Germany I bought a ton of them. And when I had my daughter, there was this really cool subscription box, and they also had several of Sigikid's items in there. So yeah, we like this brand. Then we got this little cute little Ladybug by Plant Toys. It's a little rattle, but yeah, this is very cute. Made out of Plant Toys are made out of let's see, what does it say? Ladybug Plant Toy. I think this is also a German company. It's a green toy company made with renewable resources, non-toxic material, and it came with a little catalog, little item. I used to have, my daughter loves their toys. We had a bunch of blocks and stuff, so this I think also retails for I want to say $9. Yeah, and I love Ladybug, so this is very cute. So this is for arm and hand control. So this has 4 months and up. So that's good. Then there was this little basket, which it feels hard and has like a lining in here, make it waterproof. I think this was $7 or $7.95. Yeah. Not the cutest. I feel like there could have been something better, bigger, maybe. Especially when I can go to Target. Again, with Target, I know Target has so much stuff. But I can just go to Target and get a cute basket for $10. That's twice the size. And the last item in the box is this cute little book called Looking Good. And it's a board book. And then it has flaps. We can just peekaboo. I call these peekaboo books. So, yeah. Adorable. And again, I will link all the prices below. Since I knew what I was getting, do I think, honestly, I only got this box